Check. Hello everybody, so in this video I'm gonna teach you guys on how to remove chat history on ChatGPT. So guys, let's get started. So to remove the ChatGPT, let's go to the ChatGPT official website right here. So click that. So if you are signing into an account right here, you need to click on here, go to settings, go to the data controls, and you guys can see here delete all chats. By clicking this, you guys can see confirm deletion. You guys can see the chats are deleted, but the pinned chats are not deleted. So guys, that's how you guys can delete any chat in the ChatGPT. So yeah guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.